What is something people might not know about her?
I don't know. I think the curiosity, the fact of the extreme curiosity. I wish I had as much curiosity as she does. I mean, I don't have that. I have some, but when we would go, she had tremendous energy. Stella didn't think that you couldn't do things. There was no such thing as I can't do it. So if they saw a marble statue in Venice, she brought it home. She didn't think that there were things that you couldn't have and you couldn't do. I mean, everything was doable. So I remember she had a stone statue sitting in a stone little boy in her apartment. Her apartment was one of the most insane things you've ever seen, because it was just filled with the most beautiful things. It didn't look like any other place. It looked like a stage set. She'd grown up in the theater. And she had a lot of humor, a big sense of humor. Later on, less. Later on, she started to see her place, and the importance. And so I think that went a little bit further. That she could see that. She really took the boundaries and said, "They're not going to be any. We're going to go to Venice, and we're going to do everything. We're going to go with the gondolas. We're going to go over to the island with the glass. We're going to go here. We're going to go there. We're going to do everything." And so that was what she was, no matter what. I lived a lot of that time. When I was growing up, I lived in Paris, so I didn't see her so much. And then, of course, there was the Un-American Activities Committee, which she was going to be brought up. She'd never been in the Communist Party, and she said, "Well, I'd love to have lived in Russia on one condition, that I could have been the queen." So you see, but she had a big brain. She was very smart, very intelligent, and she wanted people to see the beauty, but the brain was there all the time. Yeah, all the time.